Are you a small YouTuber and you've realized that your videos don't get the views that they used to get before? Now, it's not because you have changed doing the content that you used to do, but it's because YouTube algorithm and recommendation system has significantly changed over the last few months. Now, smart YouTubers have adapted to these changes and they are not affected by these YouTube algorithm changes. So as a small creator, you should also adapt to these changes so that you keep your views going. So in this video, I'll share with you what exactly has happened and what's making your views to keep on dropping and what you should do to adapt to this YouTube recommendation system changes. So before we even jump into it, like this video if you are really struggling to grow on YouTube and if you are just realizing that your videos are dropping day by day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button so that you never miss more growth strategies like this one. So let me take you straight into it. So why does this thing matter? You see, recently YouTube algorithm has changed its recommendation system. It's not like the way it used to be before. You see, some time back, you only need to be consistent, work on your thumbnails and titles, then boom, you go viral on your YouTube videos. But that's not the case anymore. The easy mode is now gone and YouTube is tough now because the competition is so high. You see, a lot of people have joined YouTube and YouTube is pushing a lot of videos. So the competition is so high. Now, if the competition is so high, YouTube also raises its bar of recommending videos. It's no longer about the thumbnail and the title anymore. YouTube, what it looks at now, it's about how long people stay on their platform. So that's when average view duration comes in. You see, YouTube right now considers average view duration and watch time more than views and subscribers like it used to do before. So what you need to do to make sure that YouTube continues to recommend your videos as it used to recommend before is to adapt to these changes. Don't always over emphasize on your title and thumbnails like you used to. Right now, you should work on your retention and make sure that viewers stay on your videos. That's what YouTube is looking for. And YouTube algorithm right now rewards videos that get viewers engaged and stay longer watching them. So that's what you should do to your videos if you want to make YouTube continue recommending your videos. So what should you do as a small creator? Whenever you start your video, always try to hook your audience. When you hook your audience, the possibility of dropping off early will not be there. So make sure that your hook is catchy and make viewers want to watch to the end. Always don't explain whatever you want to explain up front before even viewers get on your videos. And to increase your average view duration and make viewers watch your videos for longer, because that's what YouTube loves. YouTube always loves people staying for longer in their platform. And that's how they generate their revenues through ads, because they believe that whenever people stay longer, that's when people will see the ads and that's how they make their revenues. So YouTube rewards those videos that make people engage in their channels and videos for longer. So what you always need to do is to work on your average view duration. Make sure that people stay longer in your videos and don't drop off early. So how do you achieve this one? So in your videos, always build curiosity and make people want to watch for long. Let people expect something ahead whenever they are watching your videos. And don't always show whatever you want to show your audience so early. Try to tease it and show it later in the video. This will make them keep on staying in your videos as they expect to see what you just explained to them earlier on. So always build curiosity every minute people watch your videos. Whenever they watch, they always should expect something ahead. That's how you get people stay longer in your videos, hence increasing your average view duration. That's what YouTube rewards now. By doing that, YouTube will keep on pushing your videos to a greater and broader audience because it will believe that people love your videos, and that's why they stay longer watching your videos. So always try to work on your average view duration alongside your thumbnails and titles, because right now YouTube doesn't just recommend based on titles and thumbnails, but mostly focuses on how long people stay watching your videos. So if you work on that, you will automatically see YouTube start recommending your videos, and the algorithm will love your videos, and you will see your channel grow normally. So if you loved this video and you found it helpful, give it a like and share it with other creators as well, so that they can also benefit from it. And if you want more growth insights and strategies like this one, smash that subscribe button so that you never miss any update from this channel. See you in my coming videos.